Assalamualaikum and hello guys.
Assalamualaikum. Hello guys.
Alright, good evening. Today we're trying something different. We're talking in English to review as what's this called a super cheap Tamiya. We got this from RM2 ringgit shop. RM2 shop. You can see this, the shop name. Yep. Ada jap The shop name and the tagline, ingat murah, ingat kami. The anti shop for RM2 ringgit and 10 cent. Oh, super cheap. Brand by Double Arrows. So, don't wasting the timing. Let's check the inside. Check the inside. What we got for RM2 ringgit and 10 cent. What? It's supposed to be black. Right. Candy. It's supposed to be black. Yeah, but we get blue. So we expect this because it was just RM2 ringgit and 10 cent. What do you expect? And the body kit the body, oh man, the plastic is so terrorism. So the plastic is so wow, so suitable for the price lah. Really, you can see the what we call this, the plastic balloon. Plastic balloon. Okay. See. Oh yo, the case is also different different from the previous Tamiya series, you know. Not even X cases, super cases, not that type at all. You can see the way to put the engine is very different from the previous. Even the Goki brand, Audi brand. Oh no, macam ni kan. The cap, switch cap, still okay. What? The wheel is very childish. Huh? What is this? Aduh. Okay lah. Okay. It's okay. You got spot him. Aduh. Okay lah. For RM3 this is okay. No need to expect everything. Wow, the decal is so colourful. Man. It's like pelangi. Rainbow. The sticker is like rainbow, man. The actual sticker is like this. Full of web. Like Spidey. But you get this like lollipop. Oh, unicorn. Unicorn candy. Oh my god, man. So, you will get 4 pieces of tires made from plastic. See, the normal one use rubber, right? Getah. Oh, this one the back piece for the body to attach like this. How to put it in? Let's try. How to put this? Very how to put this? Tak boleh. Don't know. I don't know how to put this. Maybe just like this, but not fit at all. So this is what you get for RM2 ringgit. Better don't buy this if you want to use for racing. Don't ever buy this. Whoosh. Maybe this type use direct contact lah without the third gear. Dia guna ni kan direct. Daripada engine direct ke ni tayar. Dia tak ada satu lagi kat atas tu. Actually they have 3 gears for the normal copy brand ah. But this one use only 2. Wow. Direct power. Direct horsepower. Oh. The engine is have 2 what we call the lubang hole. 2 hole. Wow. Okay. The engine looks good. I didn't have battery or any connector to use to launch to start the engine. Aduh payah betul lah. The manual. Even in life you need manual. Also to build this kit, if you don't have manual in life, you will go astray. You know? Yeah. Read the title. Future Warrior. I don't know you want to fight for what. You want to battle. Okay. The tag is hard to find. Oh. In the manual, the tire looks so cool. But what we actually get, this one. Oh man. Okay. That's all lah. What you want to expect. Like Tamiya. No lah. It's only RM2 one. Then you buy, you assemble and let your child play. Also you can keep if you want to make this as your apa orang cakap tu display I don't know, you can battle with it, I don't know lah. Okay, so this is what you got for RM2.10. Thank you for watching and bye bye. Why Zizi is so quiet, I don't know. Okay.
Tergerti aku tak faham. Aku English fail.
Yes, me too, my English is trouble, you know. Okay, thank you for watching and bye bye.
Bye bye.